FFIV, F5 Networks. It's a tech stock, okay? And today's date, 108 is the time, PM Pacific, and the date is actually 1024. They just released their quarterly report. We can see that we had shorted this thing. It drops right down here to 82. We were trying to buy at 80.75 on that big drop down from $93 here. Then, like any after hours earnings volatility, that's your initial knee jerk right here. And then he comes right back up here off of the lows. And that's where those buying these dips that we do in after hours are very healthy trades when you're buying down here in after hours. One I can say is this: we are at 86.22. The after hours low was 82. And he brought it $4.50 off of that low. And here is a 3-minute after hours tick chart. Their earnings are not that great. It's like, any tech stock. It's going to be very volatile. But we are short and it's working. And the thing about it is we'll have to find out a little bit more about the earnings and what they're going to say on the conference call. One of the things I can say right now, they see in Q1 $1.14 to $1.16 versus $1.20 capital IQ consensus. They see revs of 363 million to 370 million versus their 373 million. The number is not a beat by any stretch of the imagination. We will be trading this more tomorrow during the opening. And basically what we will do with this name, based on the reports that I'm looking at in the shorter term right now, is that we will short any uptick into this, that the earnings trough is at a lower level. Therefore, it will have range-bound trading as it always does in after hours. I will conclude the after hours earnings report on FFIV. I will also conclude that FFIB misses by 6 cents and the revs were in line in Q1 EPS below consensus and revs below consensus on this FFIV. That means that any upside volatility during tomorrow's trading session is definitely going to be a sell short trade. And once again, I already read the report. I'm letting you know that downside guidances does not make it in this environment. That means that any movement up to resistances will be sold short in FFIV. So tomorrow morning, what we will do is we will go in when they make the intraday morning high. We will sell short. We will buy more put contracts very aggressively on FFIV. Once again, it is a miss. It is a downside quarter to them. We will get very aggressive within the trading ranges that FFIV will allow us to take. Fundamentally, it's not a good quarter.